In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a download timer button in Blogger. To get started, log into your Blogger dashboard and either create a new post or open an existing one where you want the timed download button to appear. This gives you the page where the code will eventually be placed. If you already know which article or download page should contain the button, opening that post directly can save you a little time. Once you're inside the post editor, the next thing you need to do is switch to HTML view. This is important because the download timer button will be added as code, and that code needs to be pasted into the HTML version of the post rather than the standard visual editor. If you paste it into the normal writing view, Blogger may not handle it correctly, so make sure you're definitely in the HTML section before moving on. After that, paste the download timer code into the part of the post where you want the button to show up. You can place it between paragraphs below a description or near the section where you mention the downloadable file. Positioning matters because you want the button to appear exactly where visitors will expect to find it. If the post already contains other HTML, try to insert the code carefully so you don't accidentally remove or break anything else in the layout. Next, customize the link and the timer length in the code. Replace the placeholder download link with the actual file URL you want people to access. Then update the time value so the countdown matches your preferred delay before the download becomes available. This is the part that controls both where the button sends visitors and how long they need to wait. Take a moment to double check the link because even a small typo can cause the button to lead nowhere. When everything looks correct, save your changes and publish the post. If you're editing an existing post, simply update it so the new timer button goes live. It's also a good idea to preview the post before or after publishing to make sure the button displays properly and the countdown works as expected. That quick check can help you catch formatting issues early. And that's it. By logging into Blogger, switching to HTML view, pasting the timer code, and customizing the link and wait time before saving and publishing, you can add a more controlled download experience to your blog post.